Hello guys, my name is Corey Watson, and this is another toy review. Today, I am showing you some of the new Ben 10 figures for this wave. So we have RUSTBUGGY Ben, and I told you guys that I got him from Pennsylvania. How I got the other three were, I ordered Glitch Ben and Slapback on Amazon, and I ordered Humungousaur on eBay. So yeah. I got these two from February, a long time ago. I got him in this month. And I got him in this month. So yeah, I was planning on showing you all 3 new aliens and 2 Bens in this video, but I didn't get Raph yet. He wasn't at Walmart in Pennsylvania. I only saw RUSTBUGGY Ben, so yeah. I'm not sure if I looked carefully enough, but whatever, you know. So I'm gonna show all 4 of these characters, starting with RUSTBUGGY Ben. Oh wait, I forgot. They all have bios. So now I gotta read their bios. And also on the yellow one there's a new one. After stopping the invasion, Kid Hero enters and takes his alien adventures worldwide. New rival Kevin let him have built his own version of Ben's Omnitrix, the Namatrix. Kevin let him keeps getting in Ben's way as Ben's to fight against the mysterious around forever mysterious armor forever knight who rivals for an unknown against that looks to challenge the world. They look to change the world forever. I didn't really read each word properly, but I tried, okay? RUSTBUGGY Ben. When Ben hops into his off-road vehicle, the RUSTBUGGY, he gets to suit up for a bumpy ride. Good thing his got new does that not only stylish, but the Tefig, but new does that are not only pathetic but stylish too. Sorry. With riding scooter. Yes, it comes with a scooter. Shit. Glitch Ben, a fusion of the techno alien upgrade and Ben Tenson's own human DNA. Glitch is a mysterious, heroic personally that machines the Omnitrix from within. He hides Ben's similar voice and upgrades. Fusion looks Glitches has own unique being with his own ideas, abilities, and against it. With hoverboard, he comes with a hoverboard. So yes. So we're gonna look at the 2 new Bens, starting with RUSTBUGGY Ben. I like his green and black off-road suit. He can move his arms like this and like this. He can move elbows and also swerve around. He can move the wrist rotation, head on a ball joint, swivel all around, and this piece can move out and in, close and open. He got a wrist pose ability. Legs can move up, back, but it can move up that far, but not back that far. And he has a swivel on the legs. The legs can bend, and they also have a swivel. And also he comes with a scooter accessory. There's a peg on here so his foot can pop in. Now he can ride the scooter. Yep, I like the design of his new costume. And now we have Glitch Ben, a fusion of Upgrade and the original Ben Tennyson. So yes, he has a ball joint, head can move all the way. He could bend his arms like this, and like that. He could bend his elbows like this. He has wrist rotation. He could bend his legs back and far. He could swivel right here and swivel right here on the legs. So yes, he got a good amount of posability. And there's some transparent parts, just like they did with the original one. And he comes with a hoverboard that you can peg him on to. And it has wheels on it. And the scooter has wheels also. And he could roll around on the ground too. Yes, we have these two. So now let's see how they look with the original Ben. Take off the scooter and stuff. Okay, so he's a little bit more bigger than the original Ben. The original Ben Tennyson that he has. He has nice arm. He has a nice new clothing. Now we have Glitch Ben and Upgrade as well. Right. So yes. The difference is Upgrade is all purple. Well, he's most likely all purple, but the difference is he has Ben's face and stuff. And he has that Benton symbol on there. And also, Glitch Ben is a little bit more bigger than the original one. Just like I said about this figure as well. But Upgrade is mostly more bigger than the other two, so yeah. Good comparison. So yes. And then we have the other two aliens. We have Slapback, one of the newest aliens of the series. He looks awesome. I like the blue, green, light blue, black, and white on him. It looks very nice. And he also has a bio as well. Slapback with struck on the back with enough force. Slapback splits into smaller yet lesser copies of himself. In this alien form, Ben can become his own mini strike squad. The more of him there are, the tinier they get. But don't let their size fool you. They They're so strong and solid as a rock. And I watched some new episodes of Series 3. And it's true, when they duplicate, they get more smaller. And that's the truth. I saw some of the episodes. Speaking of that, he has... Oh, wait. Sorry. With mini slapbacks, right. He has mini slapbacks. Only 2 of them, though. Anytime anyone hits him on the back, we get 2 slapbacks. And then struck him on the back 1 time, you get 4 more mini slapbacks. So yes, we have these ones. They don't move or anything. They're solid green and stuff, and black. So yes, he has 2 smaller copies. And he has posability. He can move his head all the way. Arm can move in and out like this and swivel. He has a swivel right here. Wrist rotation. Waist rotation. Legs can move. Back. Swivel on the arms. Swivel at the wrist too. Does he have a swivel too? No, he doesn't. I was making sure that RUSTBUGGY Ben has a swivel at the wrist, but he doesn't. So yes, this is a pretty cool alien to have. And I'm glad that I have this character. Now the next one I would like to show you is Humungousaur. Yes. Another strong alien that we have. Now, Humungousaur, heroes don't come much bigger than Humungousaur. Ben's out of this world dino battler. Humungousaur is not only pack a mean punch, he can also slam down his long spiky tail to slam sonic shock waves at upcoming supervillains they battles with bony of sound that quite everything in his path. I couldn't really read most of that, but I tried anyway. So yeah, just like on the bio, he has no accessories, and he has this spiky tail and spikes all over his back to his head, but they didn't paint him black. On the show, he has a black spiky tail and a ball on it, but they didn't paint it on. Really? You guys couldn't have at least did that, but whatever. And also, Humungousaur is one of the classic aliens. He wasn't like one of them in the first series. He was in Alien Force and Ultimate Aliens, other Ben 10 shows. In Ultimate Alien, he was one of the first aliens that Ben got when he got into a teenager and stuff. And I definitely like Humungousaur. He's awesome. So he has a head swivel. He can move his arm like this and this. Wrist rotation. Arm swivel. Waist rotation. Legs can move that far and that far. Swivel at the legs a little. Swivel at... He could bend at the knees and swivel. And his tail can move. It has a swivel as well. And also, when you take out his packaging, you gotta detach his tail to the back of him on his behind and stuff. So yes, another cool alien, pardon my glitch. And now we have some comparisons to do with these 2 aliens. So yes, we have 4 arms. He's another strong alien. Humungousaur is a little bit more bigger than him, but whatever. next to Slapback. Slapback is more smaller.